Hello my crafty friends. I am back with more packaging, and I am going to, for this episode, I am gifting this beautiful little heart ornament pillow that I made from one of my kits, and you can find this kit in my Etsy shop, Shiny Treasure Designs. But I've made this one for a friend that we're doing a swap, and in Inspired to Create Facebook group. So what I have here, I have a flower, I have this beautiful eyelash trim, and I have my fabric. Now, you do not have to send as much as I have done. It's sheer, so I've doubled it. It's like 2 yards wide and about half a yard long. So I'm laying my heart pillow on there. I'm going to fold this over. Don't want it to get too tight because I don't want my lace to end up all wrinkled when she receives it. So I'm going to fold that over just like that. Just like that. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to fold this end up and this end up. Keeping the longer end overlapping that end. Now, if I didn't get this into a knot, and I did, so let me get my knot out. Leave it to me to bundle up on camera. Okay, there we got it. Now, we're going to slide this under in the center. We're going to find the center of our eyelash trim. Fold it over like this, making our knot, making sure it's in the center, and kind of gently pull. Now we're going to bring it over again, make sure that's in the center, and we're going to tie a knot here very gently. We don't want it too tight. And make ourselves a little bow. Now, if you don't have eyelash trim, you can do this with your ribbon or whatever you have. You can leave it like that, but I'm going to take it one step further, and I'm going to add this flower in the middle. This is one of my handmade flowers. This is like hand crocheted, and then the lace gathered around and stitched down, and then just some little snippets and some bling in the center. I'll do a video on how to make flowers later, but there are plenty of videos out there on how to make these flowers. I will be attaching this with an adhesive tab. I have to find those. I didn't get them out, but there you have it. Beautiful decorated package gift. And she can use everything here. She can use the fabric, she can use the eyelash trim, she can use the flowers, so it's like a gift inside a gift. So that's episode 2 of how to package your goodies for Happy Mail and swaps. So thank y'all. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and God bless, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.